After over 7 years in the business, hundreds of reviews, and over 40,000 clients served, there are a couple things that we do that help us stand out the pack and simultaneously allows us to be a part of our clients' lives week after week. We realized a long time ago that no one is the same. People differ biologically and differ in goals. So why does everyone get the same meal prep? They shouldn't. Each meal prep is personalized from the fitness information you put in, from age, weight, height, and the fitness goals you have for yourself. And from there, we portion your meals accordingly, giving you exactly what you need. And what you need is the freshest ingredients we can get our hands on. Our meals are never frozen, and our produce is fully organic. You deserve the best. You deserve grass-fed beef and free-range chicken in all your meals. And that's what you'll get from us. Additionally, all of this is provided by our local suppliers. That way you're getting the freshest of products. And all of this is professionally prepared by our talented team of cooks that amazingly make 15 different meals a week while keeping an eye on our clients' allergy accommodations, restrictions, and preferences. That's right, 15 different meals weekly. This way you can't get bored or tired of the meals. No one else is doing this, which is why our clients love what we do so much. But if the meals are only fresh after a couple days after delivery, having 15 meals to pick from wouldn't mean much if you didn't have that much time to eat them. So we went the extra mile. Using advanced packaging technology, we're able to eliminate nearly all oxygen within a package, thus dramatically reducing the oxidation process, allowing our food to remain fresh in taste and texture up to 7 days after delivery. Did I mention our delivery is free? It is. Alongside of the thermal bags and ice packs we deliver alongside your meals to keep them at an appropriate temperature. Since we're on the subject of free, we also throw in a 90-day workout plan that comes with a sync training program and snack suggestion guide. Just some extra tools thrown your way from our expert in-house nutritionists so we can grow together and reach new goals. And after all that, the service is very affordable. Our meals typically go for $11.80 per meal, which is less than the vast majority of meals you buy at a restaurant. And even if you go buy groceries weekly, a full week of Meal Prep Sunday can save our clients up to $60 compared to grocery shopping. But there's more. Sign up today using code FIRST and you'll save 50% off your first order, making that $11.80 turn into $5.80 per meal. There is no deal better. Go to mealprepsundayservice.com and make your first order. Our ordering system is smooth and seamless. You'll have no stress about getting your meals on time at your door week after week with our service. And with meals going for $5.80, there is no better time than right now. Try it out, risk-free. Let us know what you think. Hope to hear from you soon.